Vertigo doesn't usually kill people, but thousands do die every year from head injuries after falling. Thousands more lose cognitive function due to internal bleeding. Vertigo is the #1 cause of broken bones and head injuries in people over 55. It often leads to deadly head fractures and loss of cognitive function due to internal bleeding and brain injuries. How to avoid this happening? Please watch the following carefully. There are many myths about vertigo and dizziness and other balance problems, and I need to tell you about the more serious ones. Myth number 1: vertigo and dizziness is just a normal part of aging. Absolutely not. You shouldn't accept vertigo just because you're getting older. It sets on people as they age because of an underlying factor that commonly affects older people. However, if you tackle this underlying vertigo and dizziness factor, your vertigo will be gone in minutes, never to return, no matter what age group you belong to. Myth number 2: vertigo is a direct cause of another disease. Menires, vestibular neuritis and labyrinthitis are commonly blamed. Yes, these diseases are associated with vertigo. But they aren't the real underlying cause. In fact, doctors have no idea what causes these diseases. They say menires causes vertigo and then state that vertigo is the main symptom of menires. Like a dog chasing its tail, this just leaves you dizzier than ever and without a real solution. Myth number 3: medications and surgery cure vertigo and dizziness. If they don't know what causes vertigo, how are they going to cure it? Now, I'll always encourage everyone to listen to their doctors and follow their advice. But if yours is not open to alternative methods, get a second opinion. And when you have a doctor who is truly educated and honest, he or she will tell you that very few people benefit from vertigo medications and surgery. In fact, the side effects are usually horrible. They'll make your problems worse in the long haul. Common side effects of vertigo and dizziness medications are dry mouth, drowsiness, nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, confusion, and most ironically, dizziness. The solution is a set of simple head exercises. They're completely natural, require no medications or surgery. They're easy, almost anyone can benefit from them, no matter what kind of shape you're in. They only take 3 to 15 minutes per day, and once you're satisfied with the results, you can stop doing them. They work fast, many people experience immediate relief. Others need a few days or weeks at the most. And they work for almost everyone, no matter what your doctor says caused your vertigo and dizziness. These easy exercises will help. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. You see, traditionally, vertigo is caused by 3 major factors. Pressure on the inner ear, water buildup, in the case of Meniere's disease, and infection with vestibular neuritis. Lack of blood flow to the brain. Low blood pressure is often blamed for this. But bad blood circulation is a more common cause. This is what often leads to stroke. Miscommunication between the balance system in the ears and eyes. The ears tell you to move in a certain way, and the eyes in another way. That's why people sometimes fall down when they close their eyes. The snoring exercises loosen up and strengthen the muscles around the head. This does 3 things. It increases blood flow to the head. Most people think the heart is the only source of blood circulation. But all muscles act as mini pumps that help the heart. The muscles in the neck are especially important to get blood flowing up to the brain. It triggers the lymph system to remove toxins and extra fluids from the head area. It also fights infection in this area. Almost everyone, for example, has stiff jaws. When you begin to loosen up your jaw, it triggers the lymph system around the inner ear, very connected. This is the only reliable way to remove fluid and fight inflammation in the inner ear. These exercises position your head in the right way. If you look in the mirror, I guarantee your head doesn't sit completely straight on the neck. I never met a person suffering vertigo or dizziness that had his or her head positioned 100% correct. Your neck joints are like a cabinet door with wrongly adjusted hinges. They either bang into the other doors or won't close properly. This blocks blood flow. But more importantly, it skews the balance between your eyes and ears. Your ears feel like your body is positioned in one way while your eyes perceive your position in a different way. When you work on the muscles around your balance system, your head will be rightly positioned. Your ears and eyes will agree. And when that happens, you won't experience the vertigo and dizziness symptoms anymore. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.